Hey everyone, this is Nick with City Rockhounding. It's been a while since we made a video. Been a little busy lately. Our railroad shirt is finally done. That's super exciting. I think it turned out really nice. It was definitely a tough one for me, but I think it's probably one of the best batches I've ever had yet. Really pretty stuff. I love this material, and there's a lot of different variations of it. Some of it kind of have this banded look to it. Other ones have this swirl pattern to it, like this. It's all really different, and it all tumbles differently too. I noticed the softer material, the grayish white material, kind of undercuts a little bit. And I would say that this banded stuff right here that kind of looks like petrified wood almost probably takes the best shine out of all the different variations. Definitely pretty excited for these. This stuff definitely took a while too. I ran stage 1 for 2 months. Quite a while. I ended up replacing a lot of the pieces. A lot of them were fractured or just really undercutting and not turning out well. So I probably replaced more than half. Ran stage 1 for 2 months. Pretty long time. Then stage 2 and stage 3 ran for 2 weeks each. And then stage 4 I ran for a month. There's still little fractures throughout all these pieces. This material is used for the railroad, so it's already crushed. That was kind of the other deciding factor, is when do you call it enough? Because the more you tumble it, the more little fractures or things like that appear. Really pretty material though. I love these. I'm super excited for this. And that shine too is really nice. With how they are sitting out here like this, I'll probably show you at least 1 or 2 of them twice, not knowing it, as I'm talking here and just going over them all. But that's okay. They're still really pretty to look at. Me and the family have also been sick lately, so we're kind of getting over that. Doing a little better though. Fall time's here too, so it's nice. Turning of the leaves, the color, it's really pretty out there. Hope everyone's been doing well. Definitely missed everyone. Luckily I get to take a little break tomorrow and head out, do a little rock hounding too. So I'm excited for that. Excited to see some mushrooms out there too, like what's here on the log in the back. If you notice on this one, like that grayish white material doesn't take too good a polish, like the host rock around the chert. I'm still really excited and super happy with how these turned out though. I took my time for once, did it the right way, really washed them in between each week that we changed grit or stage. That one turned out really cool. Really pretty stuff. I use bow racks also in between to really help wash the grit out. A little bit of soap really helps, goes a long way. Really like that banded material there. That's probably my favorite out of all the different variations. I believe that's the last one there too. So I really appreciate everyone stopping by, taking a look at some railroad Chert for me. I hope you like it as much as I did too. And we'll see you all in the next one, hopefully tomorrow here, out in the woods. Have a great day, everyone. We'll see you later.